Imagine this around you, a cozy blanket of snow, twinkling lights, and the sweet aroma of holiday treats fill the air. As we step into today's video, we're not just entering the festive season, we're unwrapping the secrets to make your celebrations not just joyful, but financially stress-free. Because let's face it, the holidays are a magical time, but the stress that tags along, especially on the financial front, can sometimes dim the glow of the season. Whether you're trying to make ends meet or simply looking to make the most of your hard-earned dollars, we understand that the holiday season can sometimes feel like a financial tightrope. We've all been there, right? The desire to create magical moments for our loved ones can sometimes clash with the reality of our budgets. But fear not, because in this video, we're going to guide you through some simple and effective steps to manage your finances during the holidays. It's about making your money work for you, so you can focus on what truly matters, the joy of the season. So, let's tackle those financial worries head-on and unwrap the gift of financial wellness this Christmas. Stay tuned and let's make this holiday season not only memorable but financially stress-free. Step 1. Set a festive budget. Now that we've settled into the festive spirit, let's talk about a crucial step in making your holiday season financially smooth: setting a realistic budget. Picture your budget as the North Star guiding you through the holiday galaxy. It's not about being a financial wizard. It's about making sure your celebrations align with your financial reality. Why is this so important? Well, think of your budget as a magical map, helping you allocate funds for every aspect of your holiday season. We're talking gifts that bring smiles, decorations that twinkle with joy, travel plans that create memories, and entertainment that adds a special sparkle to your celebrations. But fear not. Creating a budget doesn't have to be a daunting task. Break it down into manageable chunks: gifts, decorations, travel, and entertainment. Assign each category a sensible amount, keeping in mind your overall financial picture. And here's a pro tip: consider using budgeting tools or apps. These handy companions can be your holiday elves, keeping track of your spending and ensuring you stay on course. So, let's embrace the power of a well-thought-out budget. It's not about restricting your holiday magic. It's about ensuring that the magic lasts without leaving you with financial hiccups. Get ready to unwrap the joy of financial planning this Christmas. Step 2. Create a gift list. As we continue our journey to financial holiday bliss, let's zoom in on a key element: gift giving. Now, we all love the joy of giving and receiving presents, but planning ahead can turn this into a stress-free and budget-friendly experience. Here's the trick: emphasize the significance of planning your gift purchases in advance. Picture it like Santa mapping out his gift deliveries. It's all about strategy and a touch of magic. Start by creating a list of recipients, channeling your inner holiday elf. For each person, jot down gift ideas considering their preferences and, of course, your budget. It's the thought that counts, and a well-planned gift is a thoughtful gift. Now let's get creative. Instead of relying solely on store-bought treasures, consider alternatives that won't break the bank. Handmade gifts, crafted with love, or personalized items tailored to the recipient's taste can add a special touch to your presents. It's not just about saving money, it's about infusing your gifts with a personal touch that lasts beyond the holiday season. So, as you embark on your gift-giving adventure, remember, planning is your holiday superpower. Your thoughtful gifts will bring joy without emptying your pockets. Get ready to sprinkle a little extra magic into your holiday season. Step 3. Embrace DIY decorations. Now, let's deck the halls with festive flair while keeping our wallets jolly. We're diving into the enchanting world of decorations. And trust us, the financial benefits are as magical as the holiday season itself. Imagine creating a cozy and festive atmosphere without breaking the bank. Homemade decorations are the secret weapon here. Not only do you save money, but you also infuse your home with a unique charm that store-bought decorations just can't match. But let's make this even more exciting. We're about to share easy and cost-effective DIY decoration ideas that will turn your space into a winter wonderland. Think of it as a crafting adventure with a touch of holiday magic. From handmade ornaments to creative wreaths, the possibilities are as endless as the snowflakes. Now, here's the icing on the gingerbread house: involve your family and friends in the crafting process. It's not just about saving money, it's about creating cherished memories together. The joy of crafting, laughing, and creating something beautiful is a gift in itself. So grab your glue guns and glitter, and let's make your home sparkle with joy. This holiday season, let the magic of homemade decorations fill your space and your hearts. Step 4. Leverage holiday sales and discounts. As we continue our journey to holiday financial wisdom, let's talk about a strategy that not only saves you money, but also adds a dash of excitement to your shopping experience: sales, discounts, and promotions. Picture it like unlocking secret levels in a holiday savings game. Here's the trick: keeping a keen eye on sales, discounts, and promotions. It's like having a magic wand that transforms your shopping cart into a treasure chest of savings. Now, let's sprinkle a bit of holiday magic with cashback and rewards programs. It's like earning bonus points for your festive spirit. Whether it's cashback on your credit card or rewards from your favorite stores, these programs add an extra layer of joy to your holiday spending. And for our online shoppers out there, you can also utilize price tracking tools to catching those elusive flash sales. It's about turning your online shopping spree into a budget-friendly adventure. So let the holiday savings game begin. Keep those eyes peeled for discounts, compare prices like a pro, and let the magic of cashback and rewards programs make your holiday shopping even merrier. Happy shopping, savvy spenders! Step 5. Plan potluck parties. Now, let's shift our focus to the heart of holiday celebrations: gatherings with loved ones. And guess what? We're about to make these moments not only memorable but also light on the wallet. It's time to embrace the potluck magic. Here's the genius move: hosting potluck-style gatherings. It's like a festive feast where everyone contributes, sharing not only their favorite dishes, but also the financial burden. Potlucks are the holiday heroes of budget-friendly hosting. Now, let's dive into some culinary coordination. Creating a menu that's as diverse as your guest list. It's about making sure there's something for everyone while keeping the costs reasonable. From appetizers to desserts, a well-coordinated potluck menu is the key to a delicious and budget-savvy feast. But here's the real secret sauce: it's not about the price tag on the dishes. It's about the laughter, the stories, and the warmth of shared moments. After all, the most cherished memories are often created around a table filled with love, laughter, and a potluck of delightful flavors. So let's transform your gatherings into heartwarming potluck parties. Share the joy, share the load, and create unforgettable moments without breaking the bank. Cheers to budget-friendly celebrations and the magic of shared meals. Step 6. Consider charitable giving. As we continue our journey to a more meaningful holiday season, let's explore a way to add extra sparkle to the festivities: charitable giving. It's not just about spreading joy within your circle, it's about extending that joy to those who may need it most. Here's the heartwarming suggestion: we encourage you to incorporate charitable giving into your holiday budget. It's like wrapping compassion in festive paper. By allocating a small portion of your budget to give back, you're not only making a difference but also creating a holiday season filled with goodwill. It's the ripple effect of kindness that can turn a simple act into a powerful force for good. You never know how even the smallest gestures can make a significant difference in someone's life. Whether it's contributing to a local food drive or spending some time volunteering, every action, no matter how small, counts. So, let's make this holiday season not only about personal joy, but also about spreading joy far and wide. Incorporate charitable giving into your budget, embrace the impact of small acts, and let the spirit of generosity light up your community. This is the season for giving back. Step 7. Track expenses in real time. Now, let's add a touch of financial wizardry to our holiday planning. We're talking about keeping a watchful eye on your expenses as they unfold. It's like having a financial guardian angel, ensuring your budget stays on track throughout the festive season. Here's the key move: it is important to monitor expenses in real time. It's not about waiting until the end of the month to tally up your spending. It's about staying vigilant as those holiday purchases unfold. Think of it as a budgetary magic trick, keeping those expenses in check before they have a chance to snowball. Now let's introduce a modern touch to our holiday budgeting adventure. We recommend using mobile apps to track spending. It's like having a budget assistant right in your pocket. ready to provide real-time insights into your financial landscape. From tracking those impulse buys to ensuring you're hitting your savings goals, these apps are the unsung heroes of holiday financial wellness. And here's where the magic really happens. It is highly beneficial for you to staying accountable to the budget. It's not about restrictions, it's about financial freedom. By keeping a close eye on your spending, you gain control over your money, ensuring that your festive celebrations don't lead to financial stress. So, let's embrace the magic of real-time expense tracking. Use those mobile apps as your financial sidekick, and let the power of accountability make your holiday season not only joyful but financially empowering. Here's to a season of smart spending and financial success. Step 8. Plan for the new year. As we finish up our journey through the holiday season, let's think about the year ahead. It's like planning what adventures you want to have with your money in the next part of your story. So, what's the next step? Let's talk about making financial goals for the upcoming year. It's a bit like deciding what exciting things you want to happen with your money next. As we say goodbye to this year, think about the money milestones you want to reach in the next one. Now, let's chat about why it's important to start the new year with a good plan for your money. It's not just a promise you make. It's like having a map for your money dreams. A solid plan helps you see where you're going and gives you the confidence to handle whatever comes your way in the new year. And here's the cool part about looking back. Encourage everyone to take a moment and think about their money habits. It's like using a special mirror to see what's been working well and what could use a little magic touch. As this year ends, think about what you want to do differently and make positive changes. So, let the countdown to the new year start. Aim for your money goals, make a good plan, and let reflection be your guide to positive changes. Here's to a year ahead filled with money wins, happiness, and the magic of making your dreams come true. Happy planning! As we wrap up our chat about holiday money magic, I want to wish you all a season filled with joy and financial success. May your celebrations be merry and your pockets be full of festive cheer. Now, here's the best part. I'd love to hear from you. Share your own tips and stories in the comments below. Your experiences might just be the inspiration someone else needs for a financially fantastic holiday. Let's create a community of wisdom and joy. Wishing you a season of laughter, love, and money-smart celebrations. Before we part ways, I want to express my heartfelt thanks for joining me on this journey through holiday financial wisdom. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating the magical intersection of holidays and finances.